doesn't think it's gonna work. Losing the wheel, man. We're losing the wheel. The wheel's falling off. Stop! Stop! Hey guys, welcome to Backyard Living. In this episode, we're actually gonna do something a little out of the ordinary. In light of the fall season, we are going to actually build what we like to call a pumpkin cart. 4 pumpkins, piece of wood, little bit of hardware, little bit of blood, sweat, and tears, and we're going to actually build a pumpkin cart. And we're going to try to get it to roll around this backyard. What's going to happen? We don't know. What do you think? He's not very enthusiastic about the chances of this thing surviving once we get it rolling. Oh, understand something though. The pumpkins are going to be the wheels, as I showed you in the diagram. Oh, we forgot the PVC pipe. Yeah, we're going to use PVC pipe.
Look at the flimsiness in this.
Yeah, we don't know how this is going to work out. We're going to strap these PVC pipes to this board. We're going to shove them through those pumpkins and use the pumpkins as wheels. And we're going to see how far we can roll this thing.
This is stupid.
All right, we'll see what we're building. All right, guys. We're going to strap the PVC pipe with these tube straps. Can't get it out of the freaking container, man. Got it. This is going to be hilarious. Guess what, guys? Gotta take them off.
Wow.
Got one more. Gee, man. Oh.
Wow.
Oh, I gotta show you guys something. I'm gonna go as the pumpkin devil for Halloween.
Wow.
Hey guys, how's it going? We're in the middle of building the pumpkin cart. As you can see, we're gonna strap down the PVC pipe. We're gonna run the PVC through the pumpkins. We're gonna flip this bad boy down. And we're gonna see how far we can roll this son of a gun. What do you think? What do you think, son?
Not a chance.
He doesn't think it's gonna work. Guess what? Hey, also my son said, I gotta look into the little camera lens here. I'm looking right at you guys now instead of looking over here. Like I'm walking around, looking around at somewhere else, but now I'm talking to the camera. Hey guys.
It's not gonna work like that.
Here we go, guys. We're gonna start pounding through this bad boy. Let's see what kind of progress we're making. Not making much progress. All right, guys, here we go. We're gonna drill right on through this thing. Is it working? Watch your fingers. We're getting through. All right, that's good. All right, flip it over.
The other side.
Yeah, and then we should be able to just run it right through. All right, careful. Here we go. All right.
Good?
No, a little bit more. All right, there we go. We're through. All right, guys. We're going to have to do this another 3 times. All right, guys, it's coming together. So we ran the PVC pipe through the pumpkins. Matthew, what do you think of this contraption? Is it going to hold?
No, not at
Yeah, we're not getting too crazy here with the, yeah, you guys see that gash in the wood there? That, yeah, someone cut a piece out. They needed something for this, so, you know, it happens. So we got to put the pumpkin on the rear one, and then we're going to see if this thing rolls. Right now, so I don't want to get things. All right, guys, here we go. We're going to test the pumpkin cart. Here we go. So far, it's doing a pretty good job supporting the weight. Here we go. Here we go. So far, it's doing pretty good. What do you think? Yeah! It's working, man! It's working! Alright, guys, so far we are successful. We were able to get pull my son about 20 feet without any apparent damage at all. So now we're gonna adjust the rope that's connected to the riding lawnmower and hook it a little closer. We're gonna try to get a little bit faster speed this time, and then guess what? We're gonna try me on it. I'm twice as heavy as Matthew. We're gonna see what happens. Hey guys, check out how well this rolls. Watch this. I mean, that is just, oh, oops. Yeah, that is just awesome. We just gotta pull those pumpkins a little closer. We're backing the mower up. We're gonna give it a second try here. All right, guys, how's it going? We got this hooked up. I'm about to sit on this thing. He's about to pull me. I really hope this doesn't break. All right, guys, here we go. Yeah, I'm really hoping that this doesn't break. A little afraid. Seems like we're okay. All right, let's go. All right, you gotta put it in gear. You gotta put it in gear. Put it on like 1. How are we gonna do? I don't know, man. A little bit afraid. Here we go. We're pulling. It's rolling. It's rolling. It's barely doing it, but we're doing it, guys. Woohoo! Going about 2 miles an hour. We're losing the wheel, man. We're losing the wheel. The wheel's falling off. Stop! Stop! Adjustment time. We really have nothing holding the wheels on. We gotta kind of adjust them as we go. So we're gonna put this down. We're gonna try to go a little farther. All right, here we go. All right, guys, I'm getting back on it. I gotta remember to look into the camera. All right, here we go. I'm gonna sit back down on it. I'm hoping nothing breaks. Ow, I got a screw in my hand. Tearing things apart. All right, guys, here we go. We're gonna see how this goes. That wheel's stay. Oh, I hear some creaking. I hear some creaking, guys. The creaking's going. Oh man, I don't know if this thing's gonna hold. Hold it back on there, man. Where we're going? We're gonna make it to walking. Make sure you look in front of you. All right, stop. All right, guys. This time, we're going for speed. We're gonna see how fast we can take this thing with Matthew on it. I'm hoping it doesn't fall apart for his sake. All right, guys, here we go. He's on it. We're getting ready to pull him. with the lawnmower here. So the lawnmower right here. I'm gonna pull him, see how fast we can go on this. All right. All right, guys, you ready? A little bit. There you go. He's going, man. He's moving pretty good. He's moving pretty good. Nothing's gonna stop him now, man. We're moving at a whole 5 miles an hour. Yeah! Woohoo! Hey guys, we had a blast. It was a lot of fun. We got a chance to build this incredible cart, pumpkin cart, and it actually worked. Can you believe it, Matthew?
The fact that that works.
And guess what? It never fell apart. The
Not
PV,
really, but-
the PVC held together. The pumpkins are perfectly fine, so we're gonna take those apart and get the seeds out of those and roast them in the oven.
Definitely.
And but I'm really happy about it. So if you guys enjoyed it, please hit that like button. Please subscribe to the channel. Also, too, we're gonna try something new. We're actually gonna put a donate link below because we're gonna try to start investing in the channel a little bit more. Maybe get some better equipment. Maybe have bigger challenges, bigger builds. But you know that costs money. So yeah, we'd appreciate if you donate. But if you can't, no big deal. We're just gonna see if we can just build the channel a little bit more. Also, too, check out the other links in the description below for some of our sister channels that we have. And we just want to thank you for joining us, and we had a lot of fun. Stay tuned for future videos, and thank you.